Hi, this is Maria with WTI. Let me tell you why these are the best clips I've ever gotten. First thing I liked when I saw these color jumbo paper clips was the beautiful variety of colors that they come in. That's what actually made me buy them. But then I got them and used them for a while, and I've also noticed that they are very flexible but durable as well. They do hold your papers nice and secure. It also allows you to color code your documents if that's the way you like to organize them. And this pack comes with 300 pieces, 2 inches long, so that's gonna last you a long time. I also love that they are painted because I think that it avoids the rust of the metal to damage your documents. These paper clips have solved that issue for me. But I don't just use them for my documents. If you like crafting and you have any ideas on what to do with paper clips, these are perfect because they are already colored. I like to make bookmarks, for example, because I love reading. These clips are very good for school, for the office, or just for everyday use at home. I definitely recommend them for anything that you think that you're gonna need clips for. And that's my point of view.